So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now, let's do our assignment, The Psychology of Language, week 3rd, assignment 3rd. So, the first question is the number of wavelength of sound that pass a given point in a given amount of time is called dash. So, these are the option amplitude, frequency, pitch, timbre. So, let's check the answer of first question. So, frequency, number of wavelength that pass by a given point in a given amount of time. So the answer of first question is frequency. Now the second question is a structure extending inside the length of the cochlea which also divided into two is called the dash membrane. So these are the option basilar, cochlear, macular, tympanic. So let's check the answer of second question. The basilar membrane extended inside the length of the cochlea and its hair cells are sensitive to particular frequency. So the answer of second question is A, basilar. Now the third question is the observation that there is no reliable relationship between a phoneme and the acoustic signal is known as dash. So these are the option and let's check the answer of third question. So the observation that there is no reliable relationship between a phoneme and the acoustic signal is known as lack of invariance. So the answer of third question is A, lack of invariance. Now the fourth question is the process of filling in missing segments of the speech stream with contextually appropriate material is known as dash. So these are the option categorical perception, phonemic restoration, prosodic bootstrapping, the MC group effect. So let's check the answer of fourth question. The speech perception system relies on context to fill in missing information from a speech stream that has been masked by ambient noise in a process known as phonemic restoration. So the answer of fourth question is B, phonemic restoration. Now the fifth question is during one cycle the amount of change a wave goes thought is called dash. So these are the option amplitude, frequency, loudness, pitch. So let's check the answer of fifth question. Amplitude, amount of change that a wave undergoes during one cycle. So the answer of fifth question is A, amplitude. Now the sixth question is pattern of frequencies in the speech stream along with their temporal change can be displayed through dash. So these are the options audiogram, microgram, phonogram, spectrogram. So let's check the answer of sixth question. Spectrogram allow us to visualize the structure of speech stream. So the answer of sixth question is D, spectrogram. Now the seventh question is the process of experiencing continuously changing stimuli as belonging to two or more discrete set is called dash perception. So these are the option categorical, discriminatory, extrasensory, multimodal. So let's check the answer of seventh question. Speech sound are perceived categorical even thought they are produced differently depending on the context. So the answer of seventh question is A, categorical. Now the eighth question is the dash effect is an artificially induced illusion in which the auditory information for one speech sound such as B is combining with the visual information for another speech sound such as G to produce the perception of a third speech sound such as D. So these are the option McDonald, McGoofy, McGurk, Macmillan. So let's check the answer of eighth question. The McGurk effect is an artificially induced illusion in which the auditory information for one speech sound is combined with the visual information for another speech sound to produce the perception of a third speech sound. So the answer of eighth question is C, McGurk. Now the ninth question is frequencies higher than the fundamental frequency that are also produced by a vibrating object are called dash. So these are the option formants, overtones, periodic sounds, sine wave. So the answer of ninth question is B, overtones. Now the 10th question is the psychological perception of sound wave complexity is known as dash. So these are the option frequency, overtone, prosody, timbre. So let's check the answer of 10th question. The psychological perception of sound waves complexity is known as timbre. So the answer of 10th question is timbre, D. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.